Hello, everyone. Today, we have some amazing early leaks about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. We've been planning to share fewer leaks on our channel, but this one is too good to keep to ourselves. So, we thought we'd give our viewers a sneak peek into what's coming. In this video, we'll dive into the hardware details, especially focusing on the camera, which looks incredibly impressive. Make sure to watch the entire video for all the juicy details. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Let's get started. In the processor department, the most significant change we're noticing is in the clock speed. Let me explain it this way. In the S23 Ultra, we had the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor with a clock speed of 3.36 Jz, which was pretty good at the time. But then, Samsung upgraded it in the S24 Ultra to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with a clock speed of 3.39 Gz, which was even better. This processor had a 4nm chipset. Now, moving on to the S25 Ultra, we're expecting to see the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor with a clock speed of 4 Gs, which is an incredible improvement from Samsung. Having a 4 Gs clock speed is a big deal for performance. Also, it will feature a 3nm chipset. To give you an idea, the A17 chipset in iPhones has a clock speed of 3.78 Gs, so you can imagine how powerful this is. This is huge news, especially for gamers. Now, let's talk about the camera sensors in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Finally, we might see Sony sensors in it. If it indeed has Sony sensors, we can expect excellent picture quality and more details in the images. When it comes to cameras, it's not just about the lenses. The heart of the camera is the sensor. It determines how many pixels it captures, how it captures light, and how it performs in low light conditions. Having a Sony sensor would make the camera quality outstanding. Interestingly, in the upcoming iPhone 16, we're also expecting Sony sensors. So, it will be exciting to compare which phone maintains picture quality better. For the latest updates and leaks, remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and comment if you found this video informative.